everyone, welcome to my Blooming Bags channel, and today I am Elsa. I'm very excited to show you the steps that I followed to decorate a frozen themed cake which I made for my daughter's birthday. It is a series of steps and each step is quite simple in itself. There's just a lot of it. So I'm going to show you a series of fast motion clips. I'm not going to talk you through the intricate details because otherwise this video will be about 3 hours long. But it's quite a simple design if you break it down into steps, and you can easily adjust it if you want to make a Frozen 2 theme. So my cake is a different shades of blue for Frozen 1, but you can very easily replace some of the blues with oranges and purples, and possibly replace some of the snowflakes with autumn leaves to create a Frozen 2 themed cake with the same design. So I hope you enjoy this video. Send me pictures of your Frozen themed cakes as well. Remember to subscribe to my channel to see more from me in the future. And if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. See you soon.